So ito po yung BIR Form 2551Q for non-VAT taxpayers. And aside from that, sa withholding, we also have business tax for those na non-VAT taxpayers. So for example here, mostly dependent naman po sa sales po, no, pag percentage tax. So for example here, if we set yung 3% and then we select yung ating alphanumeric tax code, then the system will automatically compute. And then by clicking the next page, we can generate the form. So ito po yung BIR Form 2551Q for non-VAT taxpayers. So also included here sa non-VAT taxpayers yung mga ano po, no, mga specifically subjected the by the code na maging uh, percentage taxpayer. Like for example, yung ibang mga financial institution po, no, percentage tax po sila. So yun po yung ating percentage tax.